Okay, solar is not working, but here at Deeper Life High School, Abuja campus, we are designing a commercial solar system installation. Basically, as an end user, your installer or your contractor might not know the different types of solar system installation. We have different types, the residential solar system installation, and we have this one, the commercial solar system installation. This system is carefully designed to take care of a boarding school here in Abuja, Deeper Life High School. So basically, you can have these are the day battery, lithium battery. You can have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have another 4 here. This makes a total of 15 uh, lithium battery. Each is rated 15 kilowatt. At this other end, you are having another 15 lithium battery here, and each is equally rated 15 kilowatt. So if you add these two, you are having 30 pieces of 15 kilowatt day lithium battery, and the storage here will be 450 kilowatt storage. Coming to the inverter here, you are having 80 kVA. I don't want to go into the nameplate whether the power factor is 1, but this is 80 kVA. This is another 80 kVA. This system is properly designed, installed, and will be maintained by Subway Energy Limited. So you are having a total of 60 kVA, 160 kVA here, and on the rooftop over there, we have about 360 pieces of 600 watt solar panels. If you do your calculation, we are taking the peak sun hours in Abuja here to be 5 hours. That will give you roughly 900 kilowatts generation from the solar panels. That energy generation from the solar panel will be enough to fully charge this battery within highest 3 hours on a sunny day. Highest, we have 3 hours, this battery will be fully charged. And the consumption during the daytime is at peak. We are giving them 40 kilowatts. And then at night, we are giving them 20 kilowatts consumption. So if you calculate, this battery is enough to take this campus for 24 hours, except we might have days of autonomy. Those are the only exception that they might need to maybe bring in either their generator for 1 hour or the NEPA lights for maybe 1 hour to assist in charging this battery fully. So we came to this Abuja campus, Deeper Life High School. They met us, they consulted us that they are spending a whooping sum of like 13 million naira on power every month. They get power from the NEPA, from the grid, and they also buy diesel. So they consulted Subway Energy Limited to come and assist them, take them off the grid, and equally reduce the cost of generating power, because this is a boarding school and they need 24 hours power in this facility. So this system will be enough. This system, we are guaranteeing them that this system will be enough to save them 24 hours, except very few days of maybe the weather is cloudy. That is the only time that they will need to start their generator, maybe for 2 hours. And by our own estimation, they will not be spending up to 1 million naira again on power. Imagine you were spending 13 million, but when you go solar, before you know it, you are spending 1 million naira in in a month. That means in less than 2 years, you'll be able to get back your return on investment, irrespective of how much. We know how much they are spent here, and we are giving them, because we did a feasibility study of their energy consumption, and we realized that in a year and some months, they will be able to get back their return on investment that they have invested in this project. So if you want to go solar, sometimes people say, can they do it? We have been doing it before. We have installed mini grids in Adamawa State, Delta State, and other parts of this country.